Alright guys, so here is our cook, our Saudi cook, Jubaili. Jubaili is going to cook kabsa for us today, and it is chicken kabsa. You can also cook meat kabsa, but today he is going to cook chicken kabsa. So what is he doing here? First of all, some oil, and after that you put in some onions. And now are we going to brown our onions, Jubaili?
Yes.
Just brown it?
Yeah, brown it.
What more can you wish for, guys? We're cooking right at the beach, and here is Vander coming with the meat or with the chicken. Yep. So Jubaili, once the onions is nice and brown, we're going to add our chicken. Sorry, we're going to add our tomatoes. And you cannot ask for a better cooking experience than here right at the beach.
Flavor.
Some chili for flavor, chili peppers, and it's like the big ones, I think. I don't know what you call that.
It is called fil.
In Arabic, yeah.
Fil in Arabic. So fil for flavor. We are cooking on gas here. Absolutely amazing. Guys, this is why I say to you, you have to come to the beach or go to the desert with your Saudi friends or with your husband's Saudi friends, so that they can give you a full Saudi Arabian experience. These guys can cook, they can put up camp, they can do everything, and you can just sit back and relax and wait for the food. The only thing you can do, at least, is provide the ingredients for your cook. Okay, Vander has a few spices there. So now we put in the tomatoes, as you can see, and we're gonna cook the tomatoes maybe for
2 to 3 minutes.
There you have it, 2 to 3 minutes. Vander, what kind of spices are you going to put in?
This is a mixed spice.
Okay, which is a mix. So where can we get this mixed spice from?
You know the last gas station? When you're getting to Sharma before the checkpoint, there is a small store in the behind.
Okay.
Selling everything. Pumpkin, salt, everything. Chicken, pigeon.
But what is the name of this mixed spice?
Mixed spice.
It says mixed spice on it?
Yeah.
Okay. And do you know the ingredients in this mixed spice?
What?
The ingredients in the mixed spice, is it cumin? What is it?
I don't know it.
Oh, okay.
It's mixed. I believe there is a cumin and some black pepper and that stuff.
Okay. So all you need to do is go to your nearest spice store or convenience store and buy this mixed spice. It says mixed spice on it. This is now if you're in Saudi Arabia and you want to learn how to make kabsa. And as you can see, just a little bit goes over. Maybe I would say that's a teaspoon, right, Jubaili?
Yeah.
Teaspoon, and you
Two teaspoons, yeah.
2 teaspoons. Ah, okay. Now you just mix that spices with the chicken and the other ingredients in the pot. And this is a pressure cooker that you use in the desert, on the beach, and it doesn't need electricity, you know, the ones that I think you plug it in. such a lovely day at the beach. So now we're going to brown that a bit. What a beautiful day out here. Today is really just an unbelievable beautiful day out here. We haven't been here in such a long time, right?
Yeah.
That we're really just enjoying today.
Yeah.
And as you can see over there, Judy is going to clean dishes, and you just use the ocean water and you rinse it off here with the water that we bought. So Banda is going to add water now into this pressure cooker. That's 2 liters of water that they put in.
The water is depending on how much rice you will do.
Oh, okay. So how much rice are you going to add?
Everyone 1 cup.
And we are how? 1 cup of rice for each person?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, guys. So 1 cup of rice per person, and we are... How many people are we?
3, 6, 9.
We are 9 people, so you're going to add 9 cups of rice. This is why you add 2 liters of water, because that rice has to cook through, as well as the chicken has to be really soft. Guys, this is lunch. Can you believe it? I cannot even believe they are cooking lunch only now, because they had a very late breakfast. That's why they're only cooking lunch now.
Okay, goodbye.
Banda said, okay, goodbye. So now we're going to cover our pot. So when are we going to add the rice? So that's how you cover the pressure cooker. Screw that lid on. Banda, when are we going to add the rice?
Brian.
Jubaili, when do we add the rice? Okay. Okay. So once the this comes to a boil, it will whistle, right? Yeah, that will whistle. That's a sign that we can add the rice. So once that happens, we can come back to you. Jubaili, I think it's time for the rice. Guys, as you can see here, the pot is whistling, and when this thing is starting to turn, we're almost there. Chicken is finished. You cannot see that steam coming out right now. Next they're going to put in the rice. Jubaili, now the rice is gonna go in, right? Banda is now going to put in all the rice. Oh, beautiful. Guys, and as you can see, the water didn't cook down much, but it did cook the chicken. Of course, the chicken is ready. Now they're going to put in that 8 cups of rice, 9 cups.
So, what is it called again? The whole meal?
Kabsa.
Kabsa. So Kabsa is chicken stew, right?
Yeah, but they're gonna put rice in, and then it's not gonna be a stew anymore. So
Okay.
it's not gonna be liquid even.
Okay, so it's just gonna
Because
be
the rice is gonna absorb the chicken. I mean the
the what? the broth.
Yeah,
actually.
the broth.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
all this. Oh wait. Oh shit. What do I have to do? Oh, is it finished?
the collective.
سوي مرة تشوف
Everyone
قرش انت.
helps.
Yeah. It's like a group effort.
Yes.
And it's amazing. And
Amanda, where's the rice? Someone's washing the rice. Rinsing it.
Clean rice.
it's Abu
Yeah.
Rayyan, right? Abu Rayyan.
Who's Ryan?
I think it must be Jubail's son because Abu is like a father, right?
Now Banda is gonna put in some salt.
Ew.
ملح.
What is it? Milk.
ملح.
I thought milk is a
Yes.
spoon. Oh my goodness, I'm having so much fun.
Judy, you have to come with a camera and take a picture of me just sitting like this.
This looks absolutely amazing. This is not something that you see every day. It's a whole new experience, a whole new life. When you have friends in a foreign country,
أنا مسكوب.
yeah,
يا صالح.
you can
جرب
hear
الملح.
them
جرب الملح.
speaking Arabic.
جرب خلاص.
This is extremely exciting for us. So we are about to add the rice. Okay. So the rice is ready. How do it taste? Good? Female?
Just no, that's it. Okay. ترى هذا ياخذ صعب وزين. لا ياخذ وقت لين يذوب. مو زي الملح.
Guys, this is absolutely amazing. Like, this is not your everyday cooking. So, I definitely feel very privileged.
Jubaili, come. No, not yet.
So,
There again. Judy, yes. All of you.
okay. Are we supposed to look at you?
No, to
You guys
the
look at me.
So, this is our main cook.
Yeah, that's our main cook. Jubaili and Banda. See, there is the rice over there. We're going to add this rice into this big pressure
يا صالح.
cooker.
Test the salt.
Okay. Okay.
Or should be a little bit more because we want to add the rice. You know?
A little bit more.
You need that.
Yeah. I love, yeah.
A little bit
Yeah.
more of
Yeah,
what, Judy?
Yeah, of the salt. But,
خلاص.
yeah, because other people, they cannot take salt.
Yeah, because they came from the water
Yeah.
and it's salty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And for our health.
ايه بغرف.
But it really tastes good. The flavor, it's amazing. So we're about to add the rice, you guys. So there we go. This is called is it kibda? No, not kibda. Kabsa in Arabic. Cooking rice and chicken. You guys, some people they can call it chicken biryani.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it's almost like you're cooking chicken biryani, but it's like the same style, but we call it kabsa. So Jubaili, how do you feel preparing this meal for everybody? How do you feel about it?
Feeling happy.
You feeling happy? You're confident that you're a good cook? He's shy, he's laughing at me because I'm interviewing him. See, the lady of the hour, she's still posing at the same time. She can multitask, you guys. She's really multitasking.
السالفة امسك الملح كيف امسك كذا قطو.
Oh, here comes the other Avengers.
Judy, you have to go and film.
Yeah. You guys, other Avengers are coming. I just need my so let's see it. Andrew, he's removing his gear. How does it feel diving in the Red Sea?
Pretty normal.
Okay. Guys, we are enjoying this weekend. It's absolutely phenomenal, out of this world that we can get to do this. We are very privileged to be experiencing being in the kingdom, this culture. We are very grateful for the Saudi government to let us be here, you know, as expats working here and getting to enjoy this beautiful country. So I am proudly Saudi, if I have to say sometimes. Hey, hey, hey.
So this is us.
This is us.
Judy has been such a great help today, helping me with filming, and while I'm taking pictures, or sometimes she's taking pictures, so she's going to become my new assistant. But soon, guys, pray that she starts her channel as well, because she's very great at makeup and with hair, with just like showing you anything. You will see in these pictures, in these videos, how she explains, and she's very detailed and lovely. So pray that she just give the
I get the mojo, I get the energy, I get everything to do it. I really love it. But as I was explaining to her that I'm not really a gadget person per se, so I just need to find that oomph, then I can start doing my own channel, my own videos, and I can show you guys my time all around Saudi Arabia. So like, yeah, don't mind the spoon, I was tasting some of the food, so yeah. Oh my goodness.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back and Kabsa is finished. Jubaili, are you going to give it a stir?
What?
Are you going to stir?
Yeah. I'm waiting for you to finish.
Everybody is already positioned. Oops. Everyone is positioned. This is how the Saudis sit when they eat. And Jubaili, the cook, he is plating the food for us.
Please, take a seat. No seat. My friend. Here, big man here.
Big man here?
Big man here.
I think we're gonna split.
Small man and lady there, big man here. You big man.
But if too many big men there, no food there.
Yeah, more food for the small man.
Sorry. And there's Tony. Tony is going to become a promoter on YouTube. Promoting Cheetos and Coca-Cola.
محتاج هذه يا بريان يا مدير كبير.
لا خلاص كنت في تراب في الصحن.
عادي يا اخي انت بعد.
لا مو عادي.
وش عادي يا كشت هيبو ها؟
يا ولد عماني هذا اللي النونو هذا الله
اي نونو. هذا مو لا تحكي يا اخي تفل
ما يصدق.
شطه ما عندك عزوه شطه.
Not salt.
It's not enough salt?
Not salt.
But you can add some salt.
I tasted it and then I said more, and then Bander said yeah, it's enough.
يلا بدك تشتري. قلت لك اخشى سلطه عكس اقلبها سلطه.
شغل الميز.
شغل الميز.
Okay.
Like this. And this.
Some salad. Look how beautiful that looks. So yummy.
No spoon. No spoon.
No spoon. Okay, show us
5 fingers.
how to eat it with 5 fingers. Okay.
Like this. هذا step 1 and step 2. Step 3 finish.
Do it again, please. Do it again. Step 1.
Like this. Step 1.
Step 2.
Step 2 like this. Step 3.
In the mouth.
In the mouth.
Oh, I thought you have to like mold it, like make it a ball.
No need. No problem.
Professionals.
Professional. This
Okay, Judy, I need you to try it.
Yeah.
And you will be the taster for the camera and tell us how it tastes.
Okay. So,
What do you think of it? What does it taste like?
It tastes like kabda. No, kabsa.
Kabsa.
Oh,
Yeah.
Kabsa. Andrew.
Yeah.
Kabda. Andrew.
It tastes
Come here,
extremely
lunch.
delicious. Like as I've said, guys, this is not something that you do every day. So this is absolutely amazing. You get to eat with a whole bunch of guys, you know, the Saudi way. So it's absolutely amazing. I love it. Like, hey, come join us.
You like the flavors?
I love the flavor. The mixing of the chicken and the rice is absolutely delicious, and it's something like that you don't do every day at home. You know, it's more like a chicken biryani or whatever. But it's absolutely nice. So now we have to stop filming. We're gonna eat.
Yes, you can eat. And how amazing to sit and eat here right at the beach. You cook at the beach, you eat at the beach, right? How amazing
You
is
don't even
this?
need electricity with the gas.
Right? This is what the simple life is about.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Living simply. Jubaili, we want to thank you for this delicious food. I know it's delicious. Judy already tasted for my part. Love, what do you think of it? My husband.
It could have been better.
He likes to take a piss at Jubaili. Don't worry, it's excellent. Jubaili knows this. Thank you, Jubaili, once again for a great dish and introducing us to another Saudi dish and Saudi style kabsa. Yes. Thank you. Lunch. What about me?
You don't eat this.
Of course I'm gonna eat it. Oh, but okay, guys, you know me. I don't like eating with my hands.
I ate before. We
We're
got in the water.
going to say
close,
1,
close.
2, 3.
Listen.
How do you eat like this? Okay, like this.
Yeah, just wash it.
It is really delicious with this. I'm sorry, Andrew, the camera's crazy.
Thank you.
It's really delicious with this salad. Till next time, thank you for following us. Bye bye.
So you must subscribe, like, and leave a comment.
Okay.
When you're back in Houston or in Michigan or in Chicago or in Arkansas or in New York or in Alexa.
Alexa? Put everything on her back.
So after lunch with dinner, it's always tea time.
Take all the bags
So
to the car.
here it is. We're all having tea. This is now afternoon here. We have a few kids over here swimming, and their father is sitting here with us. Hello, what's your name? So as you can see, it's very safe for the kids to be in the water by themselves while the adults are having tea. What's your name? Hello. What's your name? Huh? Lish? Lish? How do I say what's your name in Arabic? Muayyad. Ana ismi Carmelita. Hello. He looks just like his father. He didn't know what to say. Your son is your second wife?
Yeah.
Your son looks just like you.
The other one looks just like him.
Oh yeah?
And the first wife.
Oh, the other one is from the first wife?
That's the big one.
Ah, the big one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mus'ab. And
Okay. Ah, the big one is in green, right? He's wearing green.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Oh wow, look at that beautiful sunset. This is what we are watching right now.
Yep. We're past Kial and we're on the beach. We finished 2 dives and we got some fish and now we're just enjoying the sunset.
Yeah.
With my wife.
Yep. It's really relaxing, honestly. It's absolutely
And nobody
amazing.
And nobody's bothering us.
The sunset.
No, I'm not a sunset, but it's different.
Can we see the sunset, Badr? Can you see the sunset? It's good? Okay.
1, 2, 3.
What?
It's
a
video.
picture.
It's video, not picture.
It's a video. So we have all the kids here. And they want to be in the video. I'm going to turn it around to them now. They're so cute. So these are the kids. I put it wrong? What do you mean? I didn't put it on. It was on here. So this is our company. The company we have. Look at the kids, they're so cute. They're just looking at the camera. Let's catch the last of the sunset then. Last of the sun here at Kial. And we absolutely love it. A good way to end the day, right? These guys were diving. I mean, you only took 2 dives. You didn't even take a 3rd one because.
I broke my decal.
Which means?
It means I didn't do my safety stop because I ran out of air. I did somewhat of a safety stop, but not all of it. I was supposed to do the 10 feet. I didn't do the 10 feet.
That was what Tony was talking about. When he takes off his watch and put it on the coral and then.
Yeah. So he's cheating the system so that the watch works, right? So he puts it on a rock and leaves it there for another 5-10 minutes. So it clears. But like for my watch right now, it's in error. So there's no way that I can
do another dive.
Yeah.
What is that particular watch?
Yeah. If I got another watch.
Then you could gonna make a fire and all that, and we here for it to film it and show you how absolutely fantastic time with our saudis. Till later. What's your name? So this is the one with the red. Is Musab.
Musab.
Yeah.
Aline.
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 Okay.
This Ghaida.
Ghaida.
Yeah. And last one Muayyad.
Muayyad. Muayyad. Okay. So your kids.
You need to take it.
You're so cute. You don't want to come with me? No?
I would say that too.
Always great to be out with these guys, honestly. Like I said, they do everything. They just broke down the tent, getting ready for the evening.
Yep. Because now we don't need a tent.
Yeah.
كنت اطبقها واحرص عليها وانبه الطلبه على التطبيق. غريب ما هي غريب بس
we couldn't have asked for a better day, right, my love?
Yeah. I told you it was a good idea to come.
قبل 3 سنوات نزلت
And since it's getting closer to, we're getting into winter, so the weather's turning colder.
Yeah.
So this would probably be like, you know, few last chances for us to get out.
Yeah. So just following the
Birds. And the last of the sunset.
yeah.
You can see a little bit of it.
You can see a little bit of it.
Now it's gone.
There's still a sliver, but the sky is so beautiful and red. Beautiful, beautiful.
هي حلوة.
Alright, so it's nighttime and the guys are building a fire for us. And as you can see, the fire is in the middle of the seating area. This is usually how they do it. And everybody is just sitting around the fire.
ما يرطب اذا عندك شفاطات والله يرطب يا ابو كيف انا حاطه ما رطب مع الزمن والله هو ما يكلف حتى ما يكلف صح؟ لا ما يكلف هذا شيء ما يكلف حتى اللي مكاني ما يكلف ما هو.
So alright guys, we are here tonight and everybody is nice and cozy and ready to just relax the night away.
ولا نسمع.
This is what you wanted.
تقدر اركب لها روتر للحال.
يا حبيبي كم تقعد؟
عندي سبب.
مركبة واحدة 90.
لا هو
ماسورة 500 راح تقعد. لا أسرع من الركوب لأنه محلول. كم بالآخر؟
والله ما اخذت من زمان ما هو غالي يمكن حدود ال 900 ما ادري 700 ريال
لكل شقة.
ايوه بس انه كل شقه ركب لها روتر للحال.
يا حبيبي كم تقعد؟
عندي سبب.
مركبة واحدة 90.
لا
هو ماسورة 500 الروتر. الروترات هذا على
ايوه الروتر هذا ب 150 اخذته مع الاشتراك 150 خلاص تركب روتر واحد.
قصدك النت.
ايوه النت.
لا هذا شبكة جوال ما في. ابراج جوال ما في. زيد الحين نبغى شركة نبغى شبكة. هذا ينفع هنا بالبر يشتغل.
Thank you.
يشتغل. ارفع بس الانترنت فوق السيارة. الانترنت كم متر؟ على حسب كنت زي ما تبغى تبدأ. لا كم يجيك هو يجي 20 متر. فكنت تقدر تزوده بشكل دش ترى تفصله من الاطراف وتركب سلك الدش زي ما تبغى. وتغرزه في الارض وترفع فوق. تغرزه في الارض. الانتر فوق البيت حلو. لا دحين هنا في البر. هنا حطه فوق السيارة. ما في شيء. يعني تقدر تركب له مغناطيس. قاعدة مغناطيس. مغناطيس تقدر تركبه بحق السنار عادي ترى يفتح. يركزوا زي هنا خلاص بس الشبكة ثلاث الشركات كلها.
Guess what, guys? I didn't even record. Oh my goodness, we were talking and I did not record, guys. So I was just saying that our day had come to an end, or has come to an end. The guys just took their last dive. And after they come back, we will depart from here. We were listening to folklore stories about Saudi Arabia and different cultures that Jubaili told us, and stargazing, and just having a great time. It was a fabulous day. I said so much in the previous one, right? And now I forgot.
Very beautiful day. You know, started off with bright, sunny, a slight overcast, nice wind, very calm, and it was beautiful today. And then, of course, then it turned to night. We had lunch, and now we're just sitting at the fire, relaxing.
Yeah, it's really nice, and it's now after 8. It's already winter time here in Saudi Arabia, and I was just saying, where in the world can you still sit at the beach after 8 without any kind of security, so to speak, during winter time and not being harmed? But you can still do it here in Saudi Arabia. So we hope that once the Neom city is built, that the safety will continue, that will not be jeopardized. What else did I say?
That Neom is gonna be closing the beach, so this will probably be our one of our last times coming down here for a very long time. And in the near future, we'll be going to Bajda, which is part of the desert, and have Magalgal and Hanith. And Hanith is the one that's done in the ground, so yeah, it'll be an experience, and we're gonna try and film every moment of that.
Yeah, Jubaili is going to cook hani for us and also magalgal. And he's going to do that in Bajda, and we will take you along. Like my husband has said, we will film that for you guys as well. If you have a chance to come to Tabuk anytime, try to come soon because the government is really trying to close off a lot of places, especially this beach, because this beach is part of the Neom city and they busy with construction here. One of the most beautiful beaches. The sand is fantastic. I love the sand here and it's always clean. Like Bandit, do you want to say something? Bandit is making a pot of tea for us, our last pot of tea for the evening. Bandit, do you want to say something? He's like, thank you, good luck. Yeah, I also said that, I always say this to you guys, that Tabuk is, in my opinion, one of the best cities in Saudi Arabia because it has history, it has adventure, it has a little bit of everything. And if you really want to experience the desert and the beach like this, pristine and untouched, come to Tabuk. And if you go out, if you are here, if you venture out, try to venture out with Saudis that knows the beach areas as well as the desert areas and who can cook for you so that you can have a full Saudi Arabian experience. So great food, great people, great conversations. All right. On that note, thank you again for watching, and I'm again gonna ask Jubaili for a final word. So what was that, Jubaili?
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share.
Yes, subscribe, like, and share. What about you, Jobber? Do you want to say something?
ايوه بقول لها ان شاء الله استمتعوا معنا في الرحله.
Yeah. Say again.
ان شاء الله انكم استمتعتم معنا في الرحله.
We hope you enjoy the trip.
ونأمل أن نعيدها مرار وتكرار في فصل الشتاء يكون الجو أفضل والنهار الليل طويل والنهار قصير بما يمكن فيه السهرة والسمرة والضحك
He hope we will do it again many times, and he hope at winter time because you know at winter time the night is too long.
Yeah.
Yeah, to spend the night. Yeah, much longer and spend all night cooking and talking and that stuff.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Jaber. We also hope that we can do it again, but next time we will be with Jubaili in Bajda. So stay tuned for Bajda. We will film that for you guys. We'll bring you guys along. Thank you for watching.